Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got the Spring Balance Discovery Box, and this is a quarterly box, and it is $24.99. And Camille just jumped up here. So let's see what's in here. This is $24.99, and it comes to us from Canada. So when you open it, it's pretty inside, very pretty inside. Now they have, this box is $24.99. They have several different boxes. They have a box for men. They have a box for women, a lifestyle box. They have snack boxes. They have pantry boxes. So they have all kinds of great boxes. It's really a cool site to go check out to see if there's anything that you'd like to have. So I know what's in here. So I'm gonna just, let's see. All right, I have a link below if you sign up under me. I don't know if you get a discount. You might. But there's some cards that go with some of the products in here. And let's start out with this. This is Chaz Organics, organic coconut milk. So this, coconut milk you can use in recipes. You can use this in drinks, like coffee drinks. And this says that it's light. It's fair trade, non-GMO. I have used this brand before. It's great for cocktails. This is 1% of the sale of this product will go towards protecting Sri Lanka's wild elephants. That's really cool. So I think by light it means less calories. So a quarter cup is what the serving size is, and that is 50 calories. So refrigerate after opening, consume within 3 days after you open it. So that is an interesting thing to get. This is valued at $4. Now smudges here. They just are sitting right under everything. And then we have this. I have had products from this brand before. This is Shy K, only because that's what it looks like to me. SHIKAI, Shy K. This is Barrage Therapy, the dry skin solution. It is hand cream. This is in a different language here, but here it is hand cream, and it contains Barrage oil, a critical omega-6 fatty acid that helps relieve dry skin. Fast relief for dry and itchy skin, ideal for hands, cuticles, and fingertips. Non-greasy, non-irritating, recommended by doctors and patients. So that's really interesting. I am a person that sometimes has eczema, so this type of thing would probably be really great. And this is what it looks like, and it's fragrance-free, which is perfect. So this is 2.5 ounces, and this sells for, where is it on my list here? For $10. Okay, Camille, $10 for this. So that's neat. It comes with a box because it can tell you all about the product. And next we have two products from the Boiron, B-O-I-R-O-N, world leader in homeopathic medicines. So we have Allergy Calm, which I'm going to try as long as I'm going to look at the ingredients. I do like homeopathic type things because they're non-drugs. So these both sell for about $11 to $12, depending where you looked. I looked on the website and it was like $13.21, but you can find them on Amazon for less, $11 or so. So the allergy relief is itchy and watery eyes, sneezing, itchy throat and nose. I have trouble speaking with allergy issues. Helps your body the natural way. Year-round allergy relief, non-drowsy. There's 20 melt-away tablets. So what you would do, this is great to use while you're out and about because you don't need water. You just put it in your mouth and it will dissolve. So it depends what the ingredients are. So I always have to ask my doctor if I'm not sure about something. And that's what I would recommend to anybody. This says that children can use it, 7 years and older. Well, actually, if they're younger too, they can. Temporary relief from allergy symptoms. So very interesting. I was trying to see what the ingredients are, and I'm not seeing. Okay, all right, active ingredients. Am I seeing that? I'm not seeing inactive ingredients, it says. So, made in France, so that's interesting. Okay, I am not seeing anything about that, so I will look into that before I try it. And the other product is called Acidil. This is for heartburn relief. Acid indigestion, bloating, and upset stomach. And this has 20 tablets in it. And this one also has 20 tablets. And it does say that they're the world leader in homeopathic medicines, the Boiron, B-O-I-R-O-N. I have seen this company before. I have had products from this company before in the past. Let's see, we'll open one up, and it opens nicely. It has a little tab on the side. Let's see, there's a $2 off coupon if you want to buy it. It says for indoor and outdoor allergies, ragweed, pollen, dust mites, pet dander, mold, non-drowsy, non-habit forming, no known drug interactions, no artificial sweeteners, gluten-free. I'm still not seeing what the ingredient is. So like I said, I will look into that before I try it. And then we have this. These are, so looks good to me. This is a nice snack. Did I tell you? I told you the price of that stuff. These are about $4. This is from the Good Crisp Company. All taste, no guilt, aged white cheddar potato crisps. That sounds so good. These are gluten-free, non-GMO. This is a regular size can, 5.6 ounces. There are about 6 servings in here, it says, and 140 calories. So dried potato flakes, and you know, it says, "G'day, Matt here. I wanted to make something I felt good about giving my kids, so I created these guilt-free crisps. We moved from Australia to share them with you. Enjoy, from Matt." Okay. They also see, I have seen this before. They have cheese balls. I've had the cheese balls before, and they're super good. We'll try those in a minute. Let's see what else we have. And I think this is the last, yeah, this is the last item. There's 7 products in here for $24.99, and that does include your shipping, even from Canada. This brand, Sukin, I've had this before. This is a really nice skincare brand. Oh, I do. I have 2 more products. I'm sorry. So this is the Rejuvenating Day Cream, purely ageless, Australian natural. It says it's good for all skin types. This is very heavy. It's 120 mLs, 4.06 fluid ounces. Did I tell you this was $4 about? And then this is $18. I have had this brand before. I've received this brand in other boxes. I've even received this brand in Allure Beauty Box. So this is a glass jar. And let's see, purely ageless. It's a nice big jar. Oh, I can feel it has a seal like that on it, so I'm going to leave that alone. I can't smell anything. But I know from the past, their products are nice and rich. So that is very nice. And then the last thing is this is from Andalou. I've had products from Andalou before as well. This is pretty packaging. This is a lip sleeping mask, and it is 1,000 Roses. I've had several products from Andalou that are the 1,000 Roses line. They have different lines, and I have had a face cream and maybe a body cream, but maybe it was a hand cream. This is for your lips, a lip sleeping mask. Really pretty packaging. It says for sensitive skin. It is 0.42 ounces, and this is sells for $14. So it's super pretty. Look at how pretty that pink is. And it looks really emollient, really moisturizing. Okay, so it has this type of seal that you can lift off. It doesn't smell like roses. It has just a very faint scent, and it smells a little sweet, which is nice. So it does look like a balm. You can see that. I'm not going to mess with it right now because this would last you a while too. I have several lip balms open right now, so this may go in a future giveaway. So that is what I got. I got the lip balm. We got the hand cream that is for very dry skin. We got the coconut milk, the Sukin Rejuvenating Day Cream. The chips, which we're going to open and try in a minute here. And the two Borin products, the Acidil, which is for heartburn, and the Allergy Calm for allergies. I'm really anxious to try that, y'all. But like I said, I am going to research it first. It says, stay strong against allergies. It has a little card about it. Made with pure active ingredients, non-drowsy. Like I said, all this doesn't have much information on it, so I will research it further. Let's check these out. So this is a quarterly box. This is just like, you know, just like most chips are sealed. And it's been a nice box. They have some interesting products, some different kinds of products, which is nice to try. And there's usually a snack in there. Oh, wow. These smell good. They smell rich and very much the white cheddar. So they're broken up a little bit on the top. Very tasty. If you can hear that, very, very crunchy, which I like. I like a snack that's crunchy. So better for you. It's really tasty. So that is, oh, it smells so good. It smells like I have a block of cheddar cheese here. So y'all, that is what I have with my Balanced Discovery Box. If you are in the US, I believe everybody gets the same box. If you're in Canada, you do get some different products. It's possible, like for example, maybe you would get a different, you'd get maybe the same brand but a different product, maybe. I'm not real sure. So check them out. I'll have them below. And yeah, it's a good box. So y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye bye. Camille, do you want to say hello? She's just right here the whole time, y'all. No, she will not show her. You want to show your face? Want to show your face? Nope. Oh, I was going to tell you what I'm wearing, y'all. I'm having allergy issues. This is my Too Faced Lippy. I know I've shown it to you a bunch of times, y'all. And it's just got a core for moisture. And it's just a nice pink. And I have on some light eye makeup, so I thought I would wear that today. What I'm wearing on my eyes is Nomad. Let me show it to you real quick. It's gorgeous. This is the Cartagena Magica. I don't know how to say that, but it's beautiful. And this palette I received from the lovely Carol Gardner. It's gorgeous. And these aren't necessarily all my colors, so I thought I would try it because it's so beautiful. I don't want it just to sit. Look at how gorgeous that is. The shimmers are fabulous. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by to see what I got from the Balanced Discovery Box. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.